If this message found you today, it's because you're meant to hear it. Child of eternity, come closer. You look at my four hands and wonder why I carry a conch, a disc, a lotus, and a mace. You've seen these symbols in temples and scriptures, but today I speak to you directly, not as an image, but as the consciousness that has walked beside you through every lifetime. Each object I hold is a law of existence, a pillar that keeps the universe from collapsing into chaos. Listen closely, for when you understand my hands, you will understand yourself. Before the stars were born, before galaxies formed, there was silence. From that silence came the first vibration, subtle, eternal. This vibration is the conch. When I blow it, it is not a sound your ears hear. It is a sound your soul remembers. It is the sound that created your breath, your heartbeat, your destiny. The conch means, awaken, remember why you came. Your life is not random. Every moment of inner calling, every pull toward truth, that is my Sankha echoing within you. Look at my disc, brighter than 1,000 suns, yet casting no shadow. Because illusion casts shadows, truth does not. The chakra is not meant for destruction, it is meant for clarity. When you suffer, child, it is not because life is cruel, but because illusion blinds you. I am small, I am broken, I am alone. My disc teaches, cut through illusion, and truth will preserve you. Every time you choose honesty, every time you face your fears, that is my chakra spinning within you. The lotus grows in mud, yet remains unstained. This is the symbol of your soul. You walk through noise, fear, anger, confusion, but none of it can touch you unless you allow it. The lotus means rise beyond the mud, without hating the mud. Your pain and struggles are the soil from which your spirit blooms. You can be in this world without becoming this world. Many misunderstood my mace. It is not aggression, it is inner strength, the strength to endure, to act, to uphold Dharma when everything shakes. Softness without strength is fragility. Strength without softness is brutality. But when the lotus and mace unite, there is balance. The mace teaches you, be gentle but unbreakably strong in what matters. When you protect your peace, your truth, your soul, feel my mace in your hands. These four objects aren't separate weapons. They are four aspects of reality. My conch awakens consciousness. My disc sharpens awareness. My lotus alleviates the soul. My mace protects the truth. And child, you carry all four within you. A part of you is searching. A part is sharpening. A part is rising. A part is fighting. These are not my symbols. These are your mirrors. I do not hold these objects to display my power. I hold them to remind you of your power. Your voice can awaken worlds. Your clarity can shift destinies. Your purity can light the path. Your strength can preserve what is sacred. Whenever you feel lost, remember my four hands, not as weapons, but as guides. For as long as these four truths live within you, nothing in this universe can defeat you. I am Vishnu, and you are a spark of the same consciousness that sustains the stars. Walk with that awareness, and nothing will ever limit you again.